We're being bombarded by them. Ads for and against the graduated income tax proposal on the ballot next month. So what is fact and what is fiction? CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov spent the day sorting that out.
Regular people,
I'm deeply concerned,
sending two very different messages in ads for and against the proposed graduated income tax amendment.
The truth is, the fair tax will help small business owners like me.
But what is the truth when it comes to claims made in these ads, claims like this one?
The tax hike amendment would increase taxes on over 100,000 small businesses like ours by nearly 50%.
So we went to Lawrence Masal of the Civic Federation, which is neither for or against the tax proposal.
The Civic Federation has concerns about how the tax would be applied. We also have concerns about how much money the tax may generate.
So let's start with that small business claim.
The tax hike amendment would increase taxes on over 100,000 small businesses.
Masal's answer? It's unclear.
That requires more data than is generally available in order to understand who exactly is going to pay that.
It would mean a tax cut for me.
and me.
A tax cut for 97% of Illinoisans, claims this ad. Yes, says Masal, with one big but.
I think the projections are that technically 97% of those people will pay about the same, the 4.95% rate, but less.
0.05% less for most people. And what about how income is taxed? The rate jumps 3% for those making more than $250,000 a year. But only income above that $250,000 mark would be affected.
You'll pay the higher rate for the first dollar over $250,000.
And what about taxing retirement income? That is a hot button issue. And Governor J.B. Pritzker, who basically ran on this issue, on getting this graduated income tax passed, says retirement income will not be taxed. Opponents say it could be. Lawrence Masal says, well, actually, neither side is entirely correct. He says right now, if the General Assembly wanted to tax retirement income, it could take a vote on it, and it could do so. Erica?
Well, Dana, obviously this is a critical issue for both sides because both have spent an incredible amount of money on advertising.
Yeah, the price tag really is astounding. On the pro side, Governor J.B. Pritzker has put most of the money towards that campaign, more than $50 million of his own money. And on the against side, also tens of millions of dollars, much of it coming from businessman Ken Griffin. The total price tag so far for this fight in its entirety, about $100 million. Erica?
Quite a price tag. Thank you, Dana.